Oh my God!
You didn't video it, bro. And I blew it up. You didn't video it.
All right, so I kind of started, which that's my fault. I always forget that I try to be a YouTuber. So I think this is gonna be the first clip of the rebuild process of my truck, which you can see it now. Everything is, as of right now, still got the lift and everything on it, pink and blue. Pulling my stunt wall out because I'm finna rebuild the truck, and so I don't want to sit in moisture or whatever for however long. And I'm rebuilding the box, so yeah, so y'all see that as of right now. So I'm gonna snatch this box out real quick. I've been slowly pulling speakers out and pull the box out, so yeah. So absolutely everything is pulled except for the sway bar steel. I just pulled the hubs out. I'm gonna leave those there because we're gonna drive the lift out and go put it in the back and get ready to start putting it back stock. So yeah. Well, I got it back on its own weight, so. Or it's back sitting on its suspension, so it's movable now. So now it's time to pull the motor. So yeah. Everything. Paint matching everything. Yeah, Dad's gonna do it, so new valence, everything's getting paint matched, so yeah, Dad's gonna hook it up. So he's gonna do the painting, but everything, all the black places on the truck. Alright, so I already got the tailgate and stuff off, cleaned it as much as I could, got 3M off. I'm putting the tailgate handle in now. I drilled the holes for the wire for the tailgate handle. Camera, I gotta put the camera back together. Put these in there, untape this, put it in there. And so put it back together basically and put it in the truck, so yeah.
You ballin', boy. B, hold on. You ballin', boy. B, hold on.
We're putting or they're putting the label on. I'm wiring up wheel lights and throwing the rear view camera in. But
Quit filming me, bro.
Brother, quit filming me. The Fury time, I mean, the damn hoodie from last year's fire. Woo. So yeah, they're throwing that on. Yes.
We did not come this far to just break down and lose now. I'm a winner. I'm going to win.